off-road motorcycle that continues to dominate the enduro world with its raw power, lightweight build, and advanced technology. The 2026 KTM 300 EXC carries forward its reputation as one of the most capable enduro bikes ever built. Designed for hardcore riders who demand performance on extreme trails, rocky climbs, and technical terrain, this machine blends race-proven engineering with rider-focused updates. KTM has refined the overall chassis to provide better balance and control, making the bike feel more planted even at high speeds or during aggressive riding. The lightweight frame contributes to exceptional agility, allowing riders to maneuver effortlessly through tight trails and challenging obstacles. At the heart of the 2026 KTM 300 EXC is its powerful 300cc two-stroke engine, which is known for delivering massive torque across the rev range. This engine provides strong low-end pull for technical sections while still offering explosive power when pushed harder. KTM's advanced fuel injection system ensures smooth throttle response, improved fuel efficiency, and reliable performance in different weather and altitude conditions. The engine is paired with a smooth shifting gearbox that allows riders to stay in control whether crawling over rocks or charging through open trails. Suspension is one of the strongest highlights of the KTM 300 EXC. The bike is equipped with high-performance WP suspension components that are fully adjustable, giving riders the ability to fine-tune the setup according to terrain and riding style. The front forks absorb bumps and impacts with confidence, while the rear shock keeps the bike stable and responsive during jumps, descents, and uneven surfaces. This suspension setup makes long rides less tiring and helps maintain traction in the most demanding environments. In terms of features, the 2026 model comes packed with modern technology that enhances both performance and rider confidence. Multiple ride modes allow riders to adapt power delivery based on trail conditions. Traction control helps maintain grip on slippery or loose surfaces, which is especially useful during wet or muddy rides. The hydraulic clutch offers a light and consistent feel, reducing hand fatigue during long enduro sessions. KTM has also improved cooling efficiency to ensure the engine stays at optimal temperatures even during intense riding. The design of the 2026 KTM 300 EXC stays true to KTM's aggressive racing identity. Sharp bodywork, bold graphics, and a slim profile give the bike a purposeful look while also improving ergonomics. The seat and riding position are designed to provide comfort and control, allowing riders to shift their weight easily during technical maneuvers. High-quality components and durable materials ensure the bike can handle harsh off-road abuse without compromising reliability. Overall, the 2026 KTM 300 EXC is a top-tier enduro motorcycle built for riders who want unmatched performance, advanced features, and proven durability. Whether you are a competitive racer or a serious trail enthusiast, this bike delivers an adrenaline-filled riding experience that few others can match. If you enjoyed this detailed review and want more content like this, make sure to subscribe to ViralVerse and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.